Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia, and in today's video I am going to be showing y'all how to use breast tape. So breast tape is something that I like to use on a normal basis, especially if I'm going out and wearing a certain type of top or dress. So I was gifted some breast tape from Busties, so I am going to do a review and I'm going to show y'all how to use breast tape in different ways. So I hope this is really helpful and I hope this can work for y'all. So a little bit about me. I am in the D cup range, so my sister sizes is between that. With that, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like before and after, so let me know if this is helpful. And I will display pictures on the side of different ways that I style the breast tape, so in case I don't actually show y'all how it looks, the construction underneath, I'll just show y'all how it looks in the picture, and we'll just see how it goes. Alright, so thank you to Busties for reaching out to me. I'm going to open up the box and show y'all what's inside. And then on the side of the box has the instructions and how to use the tape. It also gives you some covers to put on before you use the tape so that you can protect your nips. And it looks like there are the covers that they give you are reusable. And there's also a skin sensitivity test just to make sure that this product is not going to be irritating towards your skin. Okay, so inside my box came a duster. It came with the roll of tape. And then this one is the silicone version for the covers. And then here is a pack of reusable petals. So this is super great. You can use this on its own if you just need to cover that area instead of covering the entire breast. And then last but not least, this is the sensitivity test. So once you have your roll of breast tape, this is how it looks. It looks like a standard roll of tape with one side being sticky, and you just use a pair of scissors to cut the tape to the desired strips that you need to achieve the look that you want. So for example, if it is a strapless type of dress, you definitely don't want any of the tape going up like this because that will obviously show. Or if it's a thinner strap, you want to keep the tape lower to your body. And then again, for that strapless example, you would come across and up to get that lift. All right, so the very first outfit we're going to start with is the one that I'm wearing right now. So right now I am not wearing undergarments towards my top half. So this is what it looks like, and I will definitely give y'all a close-up video of what it looks like before I use the tape. And then what's great about breast tape is that it is a nicer, easier way to use, kind of like a makeshift bra instead of actually having one on. And you can hide your straps. So if I was wearing a standard bra, the straps would be showing. This one would be more optimal for a bra that is strapless. But sometimes with some dresses, it looks better to not actually wear a bra. So this is how I'm going to show you how to use the breast tape. So let me show you what the after looks like. And next to me, I'm just going to show y'all what it looks like. A strip coming straight across. I did another strip across again. And then I did two strips coming up and over. Okay, so this next dress is a perfect example of when you would need breast tape and fashion tape. But for this example, I will just show you how it would look with breast tape right at the top. So yes, this is a perfect example of when I would use breast tape. It's actually an easier example because you're not going to use an across strip because of the string or strips of tape going straight up. For me, for example, I wouldn't just use one strip of tape because that's not as secure. I would use at least 2 to 3 to hold them up, and I will display a picture next to me of what that construction would look like. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like with the tape, and we're just going to see how we can finesse real quick. So now with the after, you can immediately see the difference. There is a lift and a push up on the sides. And then, like I said, you would definitely need fashion tape to hold this in place so you won't see the tape at all when you move. But this is just better of a lift, and you don't have to worry about like what your breasts are doing when you move or walk. Last but not least, this is the final example of when breast tape is super convenient. So for this example, this is a combination of the lash dress, and yeah, this has incorporations of the lash dress because you are going to use the breast tape to lift up from the top and from the sides. So for this example, there is no way you could wear a bra. You definitely would need the tape to get that lift. And then for this example as well, you would need fashion tape, but I'm not going to use that for the sake of this video. So right now I do still have the tape construction from the lash dress, so just keep that in mind. And I will finish off the video in this dress. So now let's go to my final thoughts on Busties breast tape. Okay, so now for my final thoughts. I do like that the box comes with reusable petals. That's super convenient, and I love that it comes with silicone petals. Sometimes I would forget to use the petals, but it's just nicer and safer to use the petals before you actually use the tape. So that just helps with the removal process and just the sensitivity of your skin in that area. So that's super convenient. The tape is easy to use. I have used breast tape in the past, and this is similar to the tape that I've used in the past. So overall, I do enjoy the Busties breast tape. However, I do wish it was stickier. I think that's the main thing that I want out of the tape, but it could just mean that I have some leftover like oils and lotions on my skin still, so that could also affect the stickiness of the tape. So keep that in mind. But overall, I do enjoy the tape. It's easy to use. I'm not having any weird reactions on my skin. And thank you again for Busties for reaching out to me. And if you like this video, make sure to just subscribe to my channel. I do have more how-to videos and style videos. And I will see y'all in my next video.